I'm at Portland Nursery on Stark Street with Sarah. And Sarah, you know, I see you guys are getting ready for the holidays, and I think all of us should get ready starting to decorate, and you really can help us with that, can't you?
We really can. It seems like it's in the air now. The holidays are here, so we've got a lot of fresh greens, which is my favorite to make a wreath. It's a lot easier than you would think, and we offer classes as well, and private classes if you have a big group that wants to do it together. So that's a really fun thing that we do. We've got kissing balls, which are kind of replacing mistletoe, because that can be either hard to find or it doesn't look very great after a little bit. So kissing balls are a very new, cool thing that we're doing. And then just lots of Christmas ornaments and decorations, and of course houseplants and Christmas
look at
cactus and things like that. So.
Well, I like it too that you can come because you have all the pieces and parts, and so you can come and build your own, and I'm sure people can help us pick things out, but the classes are really, I think, so much fun. And you do it at both stores?
Yes, we do. And just if you want to book one, you can book it, I believe, any day of the week, but just call ahead of time because they fill up pretty quick.
Oh, I bet. That's so much fun, and it's your favorite thing to do, making a wreath, isn't it?
Yes, it is. And the classes are great because it is a $30 charge for supplies, but you get, plenty of that. We provide the tools and greens and everything. So yeah, it's such a fun way to be artistic and celebrate the holidays, and and be proud of it hanging on your door.
Of course.
Yeah.
And today is kind of a special day, and thank you so much to Portland Nursery for hosting us. And so it's our 500th episode celebration here at Portland Nursery. So where are we going to be?
We're going to be in the back greenhouse. Okay. We're so happy to have you here. We're really excited, and it's going to be a great event that is coming together. We've got lots of different things going on here.
Oh, we've got so many raffles.
Yeah, giveaways. The Garden Time t-shirts. How often do you say
Every half hour there's going to be a raffle, so make sure that you sign up. And Timber Press books, they're a Portland publisher, and then gift card, a gift card to Portland Nursery, which is so great. And then Baum & Cider is going to be here with samples, and you can buy cider to take home. So really something great.
Such a treat.
It
the
is
cider,
such a treat,
yeah.
Yes. And so the time is going to be 10 to 2, and we're cutting cake at 11, excuse me. So make sure that you come for that time. And really, it's going to be so much fun to meet and greet. William and I are going to be here to talk to you guys, and the producers, Teresa and Jeff, are going to be here. So it's really going to be just a love fest of garden time here at Portland Nursery, one of our favorite nurseries in Portland.
We're going to have a lot of fun. So,
I think it's going to be great.
Good.
So go to gardentime.tv and you can find out all the things going on at Portland Nursery. Those classes are so much fun, plus all the time of the celebration today for Garden Time. Well, thanks so much, and thanks again for hosting.
Thank you.